We broke it. Broke Robinhood again. This is criminal. You can't sell it. 1,000. View order. Sell. Not enough Dogecoin. Because there's already an order for it, but it won't sell it. Can't sell it. Let me just sell $1 worth. Order too small. Okay, $5. Back. Submit sell. Dogecoin order pending. Quantity sold 0. Total credit 0. Pending quantity 11. There's a market order. Robinhood criminal, man. It's happening again, but this time we can't sell. Same thing that happened to GME. Because there's no wallet or anything to buy crypto on Robinhood. They basically take your money and they just hold it as an IOU. And when you go to sell it, they're hoping you're down and they'll just pay you back less money. But in this case, I'm up and this is crazy. This is crazy. If you could short Robinhood already, yeah, I would be doing that. It hasn't IPO'd yet. You can't sell it. Sorry, Robinhood. I'm documenting this as evidence. I already have another order out to sell it. Didn't let me sell it. I would not have been trading this on Robinhood. However, I can't trade on Webull yet. It's not on Coinbase. There's other wallets you can trade it on, but yeah, I think that's what this big actually sell off was from it. People were able to sell, and then now Robinhood's like, oh crap, can't give out all this money because it's all just on margin. It's basically leverage on leverage on leverage on leverage. It's the same thing that's going on with the U.S. economy. This is real-time data of what's happening with our economy. Leverage on something they don't own. Borrowing from someone that doesn't own it. Same thing with GameStop. GameStop's real at this point though, and Doge is it's crazy. I can't sell it. I have to wait until the price gets low enough to where Robinhood can fulfill my order, or that they want to say that I've I mean, not buying when the whole GME thing happened and it was super high and you couldn't buy more GME when it was at all-time highs back in January. We couldn't buy here. You know, I think that's messed up. It's a private company though. We won't get into that. However, if they limited you from selling, now that to me is criminal. If you can't sell something, you can't buy it. That's, you know, that's a little different because they're holding something. I bought something here, and then they're holding it for me, and it's going up in value. And then when I go to sell it, they have to sell it. If I want to buy something up here and they say, oh, it's not for sale, that's different than if I buy it here and then they have it, and then I want to sell it back to them, and that's what a brokerage is supposed to do. But yeah, I can't sell it, so yep, just sitting there, unsellable. Try and sell $5 more. Submit sell. There's no like limit. There's no. It's a market order. Market order. Submit sell. Oh, pending. Maybe if I do a limit order. Limit price. Let's just do it lower just to see if it'll do it. Well, now it's back at 4. Do 5. Pending. I've got so many orders now to sell this. All right, coming to you. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. Little midday news recap. That's what we're doing right now in the stock market, but not even really the crypto market, but through Robinhood. Follow us on Twitter at HappyMoneyYT. We'll see you soon once they've drained my account and then I can sell. Okay, out.